Hi student, this is Sokmar. 11th standard mathematics chapter number 6, continuation of exercise 6.4. Now problem number 11. Find P and Q. The following equation represents a pair of perpendicular lines. 6x square plus 5xy minus py square plus 7x plus qy minus 5 that is equal to 0. Here is problem number 11. The given equation is a pair of perpendicular lines. To find the values of P and Q, we can compare the given equation with the general equation of pair of straight lines. General equation of pair of straight lines. That is ax squared plus 2hxy plus by squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c that is equal to 0. That is equation number 2. Now we have to compare 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. Find all the coefficients. Coefficient of x squared that is equal to a. Here x squared coefficient is 6. A that is equal to 6. A that is equal to 6. Next. Xy coefficient is 2h. Here xy coefficient is 5. 2h that is equal to 5. 2h that is equal to 5, which implies h that is equal to 5 by 2. Next. Y squared coefficient is b. Here y squared coefficient is minus p. B that is equal to minus p. Next. X coefficient is 2g. Here x coefficient is 7. 2g that is equal to 7. Which implies g that is equal to 7 by 2. Next. Y coefficient is 2f. Here y coefficient is q. 2f that is equal to q. Which implies f that is equal to q by 2. Finally, the constant c here minus 5. C that is equal to minus 5. Okay. So, given that equation 1 represents a pair of perpendicular lines. Since equation 1 represents a pair of perpendicular lines, we know that the condition for perpendicular lines is a plus b that is equal to 0. This is a condition for the two lines, pair of straight lines, to be perpendicular. A plus b that is equal to 0, which implies a that is equal to 6, here it is, b that is equal to minus p. 6 minus p that is equal to 0. Minus p that is equal to plus 6 comes right hand side, minus 6. Minus minus get cancelled. Therefore, p that is equal to 6. We got the value of p. Now we have to find out the value of q alone. We know that the condition for a pair of straight lines, we know that condition for pair of straight lines, ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square that is equal to 0. This is a condition. Now I have to substitute all the values, known values. A into B into C. A here it is A that is equal to 6, B that is equal to minus P, 6, and B that is equal to minus P, and C that is equal to minus 5. Plus 2 into F into G into H. F value q by 2. G value 7 by 2, H value 5 by 2, minus A into F square, A value 6 into F square, F that is equal to Q by 2 square, minus B into G square, B that is equal to minus P into G square, G that is equal to 7 by 2 and its square, minus C into H square, C that is equal to minus 5, H that is equal to 5 by 2, C that is equal to minus 5 and H that is equal to 5 by 2 and its square, because H square that is equal to 0. Now minus into minus plus, 5 6 are 30 into P value here it is, that is 6. So 30 into 6. Here 2 get cancelled, 7 5s are 35, 35 into Q, 35Q divided by 4, 35Q divided by 4, minus 6 into Q square divided by 4, minus into minus plus P into 7 square is 49 divided by 4, minus into minus plus 5 into 5 square is 25 divided by 2 square is 4, that is equal to 0. So 30 into 6, that is 180 plus 35Q by 4, 180 35Q by 4. Next minus here 4, here let it be 4, no need to simplify. So 6Q square divided by 4 plus 49P by 4, minus 6Q square divided by 4 plus 49P by 4. P value we know that is equal to 6. Next 5 into 25, that is 125 divided by 4, that is equal to 0. 125 divided by 4, that is equal to 0. Okay. Here all the denominators 4 except here. So for cancelling this 4, multiplied by 4, automatically the 4 will be eliminated. Multiply by 4. If you multiply 4 into 180, that is equal to 720, plus if you multiply by 4 get cancelled, 35Q. Here if you multiply by 4 get cancelled, will be getting only 6Q squared. 4 get cancelled, only 49 into 6. 9 6 are 54, balance 5. 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 5 is 29. Plus if you multiply by 4 get cancelled, only 125, that is equal to 0. First write minus 6Q square, then 35Q, then have to add all the constants, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 0, that is 9, 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 2, that is equal to 13, and balance 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 plus 7, that is 11, that is equal to 0. So we got the quadratic equation, but look at the sign here, the first sign cannot be negative, so that multiplied by minus. If you multiply, this minus become plus, this plus becomes minus, and this plus becomes minus 1139, that is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize. Okay, here 6 into minus 1139, that is minus 6 9s are 54, balance 5, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 5, that is equal to 23, balance 2, 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8, and 6 1s are 6, and the coefficient of Q, that is minus 35. Product of the two numbers is minus 6834, and the sum of the same two numbers, that is equal to minus 35. For finding the two numbers, if we feel that is difficult, better to go for the factorization. Look at that, 6834. 6834. Keep on dividing only by the prime number. I start with 2, 3 times, 4 times, 1 time, 7 times. Then we can cancel by 3 table, can divide by 3 table, 1 time, 3 3s are and 3 9s are. 1139 we can divide only by the prime number 17. Only by the prime number 17. No other number. We can go for 17. We can go for 67 times. 67 is a prime number. If we divide by 67, we will be getting 1. Okay. For getting 35, 2 3s are 6. 6 into 17 equals 17 into 6 equals 102. 102 and 67. 102 and 67. For getting minus 35, I have to introduce minus for 102. Minus 102 plus 67, that is equal to minus 35. If you multiply the two numbers, you will be getting minus 6834. Got the two numbers. Since it is a quadratic equation, you can find the values of q directly. For that, consider the coefficient of q squared. What is here? 6. Change the sign, write in the denominator minus 6. Here also minus 6. Here we can simplify. In which table we can cancel? Can cancel by 2 table. Even 6 table you can cancel. 6 1s are 6, balance 4, 42, 6 7s are 42. So 17 times. Here it cannot be simplified, minus 67 by 6, right as it is. So q that is equal to 17 and q that is equal to minus 67 by 6. Okay. So we got the two values for q. We are asked to find out the values of p and q only. We have p that is equal to 6. Finally write the result, p that is equal to 6. Therefore, p that is equal to 6 and q equals 17 or minus 67 by 6. Q has double values. That's all. Problem number 11 is completed. Then I'll be teaching problem number 12 in the next video. Thank you, children.